Today, Doran Manufacturing is leading the charge for effectively managing one of the most expensive components in trucking: tires. When trucks and trailers are parked, tire pressures can change by the hour, and unmonitored changes on untethered trailers and unattended equipment can lead to irregular wear, poor fuel economy, and even worse, catastrophic tire failure. Now you can identify problem tires before they hit the road. Introducing Doran YardCheck 360 Wireless Gate Reader Tire Monitoring System. Here's how it works. YardCheck 360 creates a secure wireless data network up to 3 miles around a fleet's facility. YardCheck 360 transceivers and wireless tire pressure sensors continuously monitor tire pressures and temperatures, storing the data while assets are away from the facility. Tire pressure and temperature data is then automatically uploaded to the YardCheck 360 cloud-based website when the asset re-enters the secure coverage area. While tethered or untethered in the yard, the YardCheck 360 transceivers periodically transfers new tire data through the gate reader to the cloud, alerting fleet management to alarm conditions before resulting in a catastrophic tire failure. When using the YardCheck 360 web-based dashboard, fleet personnel can easily and remotely view tire pressures and temperatures, including alarm conditions for all their trailer tires in their fleet. Reports can be scheduled to be automatically sent to appropriate fleet personnel to quickly identify and address problem tires before they create costly on-road tire service calls. The YardCheck 360 system can operate as a standalone system on trailer tires or be used in conjunction with an automatic tire inflation system. It can be set up to provide real-time data to a driver through Doran's SmartLink display or an integrated telematics partner's device. Doran Manufacturing's YardCheck 360 wireless gate reader tire monitoring system has been recognized by Heavy Duty Trucking as one of the top 20 new products for 2019. The main advantages of YardCheck 360 include automated wireless monitoring that stores and reports pressure and temperature data, and alarms to identify tire problems before they leave the yard. Built-in rechargeable batteries allow YardCheck 360 transceivers to provide data and alarms for up to a month on untethered assets in the coverage area. Quick and easy gate reader installation without incurring installation or construction costs, and no costly monthly data service plan for each asset. YardCheck 360 wireless gate reader tire monitoring system is one of the most reliable and cost-effective ways to reduce tire repair and maintenance costs, while most importantly, enhancing safety. To learn more about YardCheck 360 and Doran 360 tire monitoring systems, call 866-816-7233 or visit us online